What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my next 10x stocks. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my bet on these 5 companies that I believe will go ahead and 10x over the next 5 years. All of these stocks are going to be in the technology sector, and I believe as we're seeing and we're in the middle of a market correction, there's no better time to go ahead and start investing in dollar cost averaging into the market. Now, I do focus on growth stocks as well as dividend-based stocks. All 5 of these stocks are obviously going to be growth stocks that I believe have the potential to 10x in the next 5 to 10 years. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Now, if you are new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And if you like content like this, don't forget to smash that like button, as YouTube seems to love that like button. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. Now, the first stock on this list is going to be Apple. Now, here's the thing. Apple is currently trading at $120 a share. And right now, guys, this stock is down today. And while we're seeing a market correction, I believe anything $120 or below is not a bad buy and a bad purchase for this company. I can see this company going above $1,000 a share before they have to go ahead and do another market split. Now, the additional nice thing with Apple, even though it's a growth stock and they're focused on many different areas of growth, like the rumors around the Apple car as well as the Apple glasses, this company has a huge potential to go ahead and grow. With the stock, they do pay out a dividend as well, which is really nice. So I do like that about this company. The current dividend yield with Apple is 0.67% or about 82 cents per share. Now, guys, we all know Apple has many different products out there that they go ahead and make money on, and Apple in the recent earnings outdid any of their previous earnings. So this company is making a ton of money. They're ahead of the curve when it comes down to innovation, and that's why I'm a believer in this company. Now, next is going to be a company that to me goes hand in hand with Apple when it comes down to innovation, and this one is probably more of an obvious one, but that's going to be with Tesla. Now, Tesla currently, as of today, is trading at $620. This is the lowest that I've seen this company go ahead and go to. So I do believe if this company crosses and goes below $600, that's a huge buying opportunity in my opinion, especially when we go ahead and look at the potential for Tesla in 5 years or 10 years from now. With full self-driving, that's going to be a huge game changer for this company, as well as with robotaxis. Now, additionally, guys, Tesla makes money through many different ways already, and they have a lot of other projects that they're working on. But I believe this is going to be the #1 company that's going to be the supplier for batteries. Tesla's also working on the Cybertruck. They're working on the semi-truck, which is supposed to come out later this year. They're working on the Tesla Roadster, and they're working on a $25,000 car as well. These are just some of the different projects that Tesla's working on. But I do believe the big things that are really going to go ahead and change the way people look at this company and value this company is going to be when full autonomous driving goes ahead and comes out, which is actually expected to come out later part of this year. So this, in my case, is a buy, especially for a 10x stock that I believe is really changing the game and changing multiple different industries. Now, additionally, guys, with Tesla, they're also in the solar game as well. They have solar panels and solar roofs that they're also making money on as well. So this company is extremely diversified as far as the different avenues that they're focused on making money on. So this, to me, is going to be another 10x stock that I am definitely investing more and more in. Every single week, I am investing more money into this company, and I own a Tesla, guys, and I can tell you, owning this car, having no service to do with this car, not taking your car in for service, and just some of the other little things once you own this car is way ahead of the curve, and I believe it's at least 5 years ahead of the curve when you go ahead and compare to other cars. So I'm making a huge bet on Tesla for their growth. Now, jumping into the third stock. This stock is going to be a new stock that I recently went ahead and added in my portfolio, and that's going to be with C. Now, C Limited is one of the newest stocks that I added in my portfolio. I've been looking at this company, debating how much I want to go ahead and invest, but I just started a small position in this company, and currently, guys, this company's down today as well because of the market market correction, but the recent earnings were actually very positive. With C, they're actually in the technology space. If you're not familiar with this company, they actually make money from 3 different products. They make money from their online gaming product. Basically, they have games in development, and one of the best games out there currently in Asia and in India is actually made by C Limited. So their gaming sector is actually called Garena, and I'm hoping I'm saying that correctly, but that's one way that this company is making money, and that's actually one of the highest margin areas where this company is making money. Additionally, they have an e-commerce product, which is Shop. Shop is basically direct competition for Amazon, and it is the 3rd largest shopping e-commerce website that is out there in the world. So with Shop, they're taking over a lot of the Asian markets, and the sector, the company is actually doing extremely well as well. And this is direct competition for Amazon. So I do believe that there's going to be a huge growth potential for Shop to go ahead and compete against Amazon. And guys, the 3rd one is going to be in the financial sector with C Money. Basically with C Money, this is their play on fintech. They're providing different payment options and different options for consumers as far as the different type of accounts like checkings accounts, savings accounts. But additionally, as this fintech space grows, and with digital wallets as being one of the things that's really going to be an innovator when it comes down to fintech, I believe this is another great potential for C Limited. Now, personally, all 3 of these business models for C are the future when it comes down to looking at these sectors. So this company is really focused on 3 different sectors that have a huge potential to go ahead and grow. And guys, if we go ahead and just look at their stock price over the last 1 year, this company has grown by 413%. So a huge growth company that I believe has the potential to go ahead and 10x as well. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the next one. The next one is going to be Crowdstrike. Now, with Crowdstrike, they're currently trading at $197 a share. Anything under $200, I believe, is a good investment for this company. Currently, guys, this company is another one that's down over 6%. So it is a potential buy, in my opinion, for a potential 10x company. Crowdstrike is basically taking on cybersecurity and basically keeping America safe. They're one of the largest companies when there's cyber attacks that other countries or hackers have. This company is ahead of the curve, and they're the leader in this space. And with this sector, with cybersecurity, I believe there's a huge potential to go ahead and grow. And with this space, I don't see this going down. If anything, as we go ahead and look at 5 to 10 years from now, there's going to be more and more risk and more hackers. So I do believe that this company is going to go ahead and keep its majority share in this sector and have a huge potential to go ahead and grow. And finally, guys, with the 5th one here, the 5th stock that I believe has a potential to 10x is going to be with Teladoc Health. Teladoc Health is basically what it sounds like in its name. They're basically creating virtual meetings that you can go ahead and virtually have a conversation and have a meeting with your doctor or with your nurse. They're changing the whole health industry. And with Teladoc Health, they've had great customer reviews, as well as the doctors that are part of their partnership have great things to say about Teladoc Health as well. And as we're seeing a market correction, Teladoc Health is currently trading at $190. So this, to me, under $200 is also a potential great buy. But guys, because this industry has not been changed in so long, that's where I see Teladoc Health being able to go ahead and change and innovate this whole industry and take a huge chunk of the business from some of those traditional health companies, because the future is all going to be virtual, especially after this pandemic. So this is going to be my last bet on the 10x stocks that I'm currently investing in. But guys, these are basically going to be the 5 10x stocks that I'm betting in throughout this year that I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into every single week. Let me know if you guys have any comments, anything that I did not share about these companies that can go ahead and help the overall community. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. I like to go ahead and be fully transparent with you guys, share with you guys on a week-to-week basis what I'm basically looking at investing in. My current portfolio does own all of these stocks. I did recently go ahead and make a video if you want to go ahead and check that out on the $100,000 portfolio that I currently have that's invested in some of these stocks. But thank you guys again for watching this video. If you are interested in investing, I do invest with M1 Finance. They do have a $30 limited time offer. Go ahead and check out my description for that, as well as some free stocks with Webull or Robinhood if you guys are interested in getting some free stocks. But thanks again, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys at the next one.